Today we're looking at DESLOC's Smart Lock K120, which is a keyless deadbolt with fingerprint access, built-in Wi-Fi, and a rechargeable battery. I'm also going to go over the numerous minor details that they don't tell you or highlight and why they add up to a really positive user experience. Details I had not seen on any of the other electronic or smart locks that I have around my home. And trust me, I love these and have installed them everywhere possible, so I really had thought I had seen it all. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. First thing worth mentioning is installation. If you've ever installed a standard deadbolt, this is basically the same process. It fits a typical door, while prep in the kit includes everything you need. I had it mounted and working in about 10 minutes with just a screwdriver. The lock also auto detects whether your door swings left or right, so there's no complicated setup there. But one of the biggest selling points is the fingerprint unlock. This uses a 3D fingerprint reader, and in real world use, it's quick. Just touch the sensor and the door unlocks. Tested it with dry fingers and slightly wet fingers, and it still recognized my print without a problem. It also uses GPT finger technology. DESLOC is the first brand to introduce this technology, which continuously learns and improves fingerprint recognition through your daily use. This allows the lock to adapt to different fingerprint conditions such as worn or injured or changing and growing fingerprints. Fingerprint data is stored locally on the lock itself, not in the cloud like some others, so this is nice from a privacy standpoint. And I was afraid the fingerprint was going to be delayed or take a while to be ready, but it isn't at all. And frankly, it eliminates the need to even use your code. So while you set a code, I haven't used it since I've installed this. The built-in Wi-Fi is another practical feature. You don't need a separate hub. Once it's connected through the app, you can lock or unlock the door remotely, see when the door was used, and get notifications. That's useful if you have kids coming home from school or if you run a rental business and you need to give someone temporary access. Not to mention when you're laying in bed at night and wonder if you forgot to lock the door, just check the app and see. If so, close it right from bed or from wherever else you may be. But speaking of rental properties, this lock includes what they call Landlord Mode. Basically, it lets you create multiple user profiles and temporary access codes. So if you have an Airbnb, contractors coming by, or guests staying for a few days, maybe you're on vacation and have a package so you want to let your neighbor in to put the package inside your house. You can give any of these individuals access without handing out physical keys, and they get a window before the code becomes invalid or expires. So you can be confident in knowing that they cannot come back and let themselves in later. And the battery life is also outstanding from other electronic or smart locks, most of which I've experienced have 4 AA batteries that need to be replaced every 3 to 6 months. But instead of using disposable batteries, this one has a 15,000 milliamp rechargeable battery, and the manufacturer claims up to 13 months on a charge, depending on how often you're using it. And if it ever runs completely dead, there is a Type-C emergency charging port, so you can temporarily power it and unlock the door. And as far as durability goes, the lock is rated IP65, which means it's built to handle rain and dust outdoors. Living in Florida with as much rain as we get, this is an absolute necessity. But let's talk about the notable details that aren't highlighted anywhere. First off, for installation, all of the pieces are separated and clearly labeled in individual bags. They also provide spare parts, and even the door latch notates which direction to install it. Next, the door has an adjustable sensor that can detect if it's closed or not. That in itself isn't that impressive, but how precise it is impressive. Watch when I don't close the door. This is clearly open.
Door is not closed.
And it notates it. But in this example, the door doesn't close fully even though it seems like it does. And watch how small of a difference it can detect. You see how it's not in the latch here? The door will recognize that and tell me that it's not closed.
Door is not closed.
We're talking maybe an 1/8 of an inch difference here that it can detect. Next is an aesthetic feature. The color is black, but it also has brushed nickel on the side. So while I have a brushed nickel door handle, I don't have to change it to black to make it still match. Most of these are all one color, leaving you with mismatched locks and handles or the need to replace it in order to match. But with this, the color is versatile to 2 of the most popular door handle colors that exist. So this was one less step that I needed when installing this. Next, there is no need to unscrew anything to get to the batteries. And this might seem insignificant, but my other lock requires a hex bit to unscrew it. Now that I'm thinking about it, that is absolutely ridiculous to have to go and find that. The average person and the average DIYer is typically going to struggle with trying to find this bit to unscrew it. So overall, I am highly impressed with this, way more than I thought I would be, way more than I've been with any of my other fingerprint or electronic door locks. Now, if you're not familiar with the brand, DESLOC has been in the smart lock industry for 17 years and have served over 10 million customers worldwide. Their goal and mission is to build a professional smart lock brand and provide solid, reliable locks and services for families. As my first experience with DESLOC, I can tell you that they have met that goal and they stand by their mission. So overall, if you're in the market for a new smart lock, give this one a shot. I really don't think you will be disappointed. Please reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.